Hi there! Today we will learn how to cut various shapes. So, are you ready? Let's open our book and see what do we have. We see multiple instructions right here. Let's see what are the materials required for this one. We will require craft paper, scissor, pencil and ruler. Let's get to the activity and start doing this. At first, we are going to take a piece of paper and then start by marking these points. Let's start by marking points at an equal distance of 4 centimeters. Once we are done doing that, let's start by making these lines. Yes, this needs to be of 18 centimeters. And now, let's start by cutting this. Go ahead and cut this slowly and nicely. Yes, here we are cutting a rectangle of 18 cm by 4 cm. Now, let's cut all of them together. This is brilliant. The next thing we do is keep all of them aside and take 2 of them. Let's place them one on top of another and fold it from the center. Crease it well and fold it one more time. Something like this. That's amazing. Now we are going to make standing lines on both the sides. Let's do this together. That's lovely. Once we are done doing that, let's take our scissors and start cutting right on top of it. Go very slow while cutting it and keep your scissor away from your body. Be safe and do not hurt yourself. That looks amazing. Let's see how many squares did we get? Well, yes, you're right. If you do it in the correct way, you will get 8 such squares. That's brilliant. Now, let's do the same step. Have the rectangles, make them into squares and then start by making our triangle. Let's cut it in a similar way. And after that, to make this into a triangle, let's start by cutting this from side to side. Something like this. Well, the paper is folded multiple times, hence it can be difficult for you to cut it. Please take your elders' help if required. And look at that! We have so many triangles. If you notice, we get 16 such triangles by doing this. Next up, we are going to make circles and semicircles. Let's follow step 1 of cutting squares. Again, we will be folding this into half, folding it one more time, and then cutting it. After this, we are going to make a circle on top of it. Let's make a very big circle. This looks amazing. Go ahead and cut it slowly. Let's cut it right on top of the pencil mark. And look at that, our circles are ready. If you do this in the right way, you will get 8 such circles. That's amazing. And finally, to cut this into a semicircle, you need to cut these circles from the center. Something like this. And look at that, our semicircles are ready as well.